Look at me. You haven't even looked at me. Look at me. Look at me, Haley. Can you smile, Brooke?
Everything is new again, walking with a permagrin, head so high. I'm back with you and all is right. Shaking on the apple tree, ticking off the honeybees, watch them fly. It's just like we never said goodbye. And you're like a worn out shirt that's soiled with dirt. But
Good morning. We had some pancakes and sausage for breakfast. I got syrup in my hair. And what are you doing? What are you doing, Haley? Put some more Christmas decorations up. So we've got that garland above the stove. Put some decorations in the playroom.
Thank you.
And the Christmas tree in the schoolroom.
And those.
Stockings. Put garland along the stair rail here. It lights up too, but I have to find an extension cord. So yeah, I think we're about ready for Christmas. What are those?
It's an apple phones.
It's your Apple phones?
Rich. Okay.
What is that?
Apple? Apple phone. Apple
We are
phone.
eating tuna. Did you eat your cucumber off of there?
Yep.
You need to eat your sandwich now. Did you eat your cucumber?
It's weird.
Look at mine. I chop up my apple and put it in my tuna fish because that's the way I like it.
Where's the apple? Where's
Then
the
I'm going to
apple?
put some clothes on you guys. I know we've been in our pajamas,
Mommy.
but I'm going to put some clothes on you. It's really cold outside, just windy and cold and
Freezing.
just pajama weather. That's what it is.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And it's a dagger, which
That's too rough. Don't be so rough.
okay.
Gotta do slow, pet her slowly, calmly.
this bunny. I have a matching nose like mine. Good girl. I have a white overworked nose, right, Remy? Yummy. Yummy, position like this. Position hand, yummy, waho. No, yeah, Ellie waho. Okay, so over here, we bunny bite. Look, see this hole. You can love that. Hello, bunny. Do you want me to try this on rabbit off? No, I will never like that. Rabbit on hands. You hot dog, ho. Oh, toffee. Say yes. Tough. Get toffees. What are toffees saying? I love you, Toff. Toffee, I love you. Bunny loved that on her nose. I put her nose on her. Her love that. You are a pet, right? Her are a pet.
Mm-hmm.
Good pet. Yeah, I run your best friends. Ow. Please don't bite. Are you okay?
Don't bite. Where'd she bite you?
Over here. Where's it with my bump? Over here.
But it didn't bleed or anything.
I know.
Did she lick you or bite you?
Look at me. Aw, what was saying? You wanna get away? Do you wanna go away from me? I wanna get away with you. Papa, I can't wait to get a new round. Papa, I need another book. I love that, right, Papa? Rick love that, Papa?
Yes, I guess. She doesn't leave when she has a chance, so she must like it.
You almost get a present. Hey, girl. Hey, boy. Hey, you get present. You choose present.
What are you gonna get me? You got no money?
I need it.
Doesn't always take money though. I don't care.
I asked Santa we need zippers. The egg zippers.
Zippers? For
The
what?
egg zippers.
For what?
For Christmas.
Eight
Slippers.
zippers?
Slippers.
Oh, slippers.
Let's have guppies. Guppies? Yes, guppies.
No, A slippers. What are those?
Ballerina zippers.
Ballerina slippers?
Papa, this ain't for ballerina slippers too.
Ballerina slippers?
For Christmas.
What are you gonna do, ballerina?
Papa, we didn't have a ballerina slippers too. mind us go see us ballerina teacher? Let's go with us best friend. Ballerina.
I don't know.
A teacher ballerina. Get us ballerina shirts. Huh, Papa? I can't help it. Papa? Let's go ballet teacher. Hi,
You want to take ballet lessons?
Remy. I love you, Remy.
I love you too.
I can't do a whip. Would you show me how to whip? I know a whip. What? Okay. Ow. I love the tickles. I love the tickles.
You want ballerina slippers or slippers like your sister's? House slippers. You want house slippers?
That one, bear slippers. These are for kids. And get legs in for two. This I meant to. This I did it. I have to do a whip. What's this, Papa?
I see you.
Oh,
You flip right into the chair.
I
You
know.
did it.
Oh, I need to do this when working. Let's not get hurt.
Haley, will you turn that light on?
Yes, really. Where? I get it.
No, Brooklyn.
I get it.
So watch what you're not going over.
Oh.
Okay. See, you almost knocked the guitar over. Push it back up in there.
Hey, Chuck.
The guitar. Okay.
Remy, this your good guitar? Oh. Can you buy that for me, Remy?
Yeah.
Sissy, get what I need to do. Big fit. Papa, we can do a big fit. This is tiny fit.
Learn how to control it, Haley. Go straight.
Papa, we didn't show my ballerina teacher.
You have a ballerina teacher? I didn't know that.
But you go in my ballerina teacher too.
Alrighty.
But you good to watch us.
Yeah.
I see it on my teacher, right, Papa?
I don't know.
I need to sing a Christmas song.
You do? Go sing it to Grandma.
Papa,
Go sing a Christmas song.
Sing on me. Jingle bell, jingle
That's what the
bell
slippers are.
way. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Oh. I can't do it. Right, Papa? Listen, I'm not good at this. Right, Papa? Jingle bell, jingle bell, all the
Come on, sing it,
way.
Brooklyn, sing it,
Jingle
sing it,
bell,
Brooklyn,
jingle
sing it,
bell,
sing it.
jingle bell way.
Sing it.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle way. Jingle bell, jingle bell. My son did it.
Go sing it to Grandma.
Jingle bell, jingle bell. Yeah, a button like that, right, Papa? Jingle bell, jingle bell. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Jingle way. Jingle, jingle, jing. Jingle, jingle, jing. Jingle, jing. Jingle, jing. Jingle all the way. Jingle way. Jingle.
No, I'm too tired. No, it's under her ass.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, all the way. Ow! This is not a tickle, this is it.
I was tickling you. Go do roll over flips.
No, ow, 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 ow.
I'll do two at a time.
Wow, you do it by Papa. Right, Papa? You put it over.
Do one and then do another one. Do another one. No, one right in a row. I mean, two right in a row. Do one and then do another one. Go boom, boom. Now do another one. This one. No, do it this way.
Is it? No, this me, I This it?
too.
Okay, do one more.
Hey, you just can't do them straight. Toes is Why can't you do them straight, Haley? Can't do them kind of straight?
I can't tell where to get off me. I never like where to do that. I never like letting the singers.
I don't understand. They look like
What? Papa, what's your leg? I don't hurt you.
Oh, don't worry about my leg. Don't touch it.
Papa, I'm gonna rub you. I'm not get hurt. You. You're not tickle me. Thank you very much.
Are you guys having dinner and a movie? What are you eating for dinner?
I give him
Fettuccine? Chicken fettuccine? Alfredo stuff?
and Gabby too.
Is it good, Haley? What are you watching, Rugrats?
No, it's babies.
That's our craft for today. We turned our refrigerator into a snowman. Girls, come and look at the snowman.
Wow.
Is he cute?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, stand in front of him so I can take your picture.
No spiders.
Look at me. Look at me. You haven't even looked at me. Look at me. Look at me, Haley. Can you smile, Brooke? Just say cheese, normal.
Cheese.
Do you like him?
Uh-huh.
Is he cute?
It's like theirs, right, Pop?
Don't rip him off, okay?
It's like theirs, Brownie. It's like theirs. Purple.
That's his scarf.
Purple.
Blue.
Purple.
Purple, blue, green.
Purple. Purple and green. Purple.